Hi everyone, welcome to Rock City and my Money Minute series, and today I wanted to talk about the 10 best ways to use your tax refund. So if you don't have 3 to 6 months of emergency savings, the number one thing to do is to add to your emergency fund. Number 2, you can pay off debts like credit cards. Who wants to pay interest when they don't have to? Number 3, you can add to your short-term savings goals, so save for a down payment for a car. Number 4, you can add to your long-term savings, so beef up that retirement, save for a house, for college. You can pay for home or car maintenance that you've put off. So clean those gutters, fix anything that's broken. Same thing for your body. Go to the dentist if you've been putting it off. Number 7, you can donate to your favorite charity or to friends that are in need. You can also treat yourself. Take a trip, buy the thing or experience that you've always wanted. You can invest using online stockbrokers who accept small amounts, and you can also invest in yourself, the very best investment. So take a class, a course, do anything to improve your life. Thanks for watching this video, and tune in for more Money Minute.